Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can fix message settings of notification in my iPhone, okay? So first go to settings, scroll down and tap on notifications and go to message and make sure this option is toggled on and choose your alert option from the alternative, okay? And the second one is go to sounds and haptics and change your text tone from the option. Okay, I'm going to click on that, so I'm going to change. And the third way of fixing the problem is to turn off do not disturb mode. Okay, so I'm going to control center, and as you can see there is no turn on of do not disturb mode, so you have to make sure of that. And the fourth way of fixing this is go to your general and updating your iOS version is could be the other way of fixing the problem. So my iOS is updated. So the last way of fixing the problem is resetting your iPhone, okay? So reset all settings and the problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video really helpful, please leave a like button and subscribe to our channel.